So we just got a WhatsApp from the owner from the car. And we have no clue why.
Papa to the rescue. Good job, Baru.
We will tell you at the end of the vlog, searching for us.
Yeah. Dry your feet. That doesn't look healthy.
If you search your soul, there's no need for pretending. We got something I wanna talk about now tonight.
This is the Java house. Hallo, bagaimana semua?
Selamat pagi.
Ada orang Indonesia.
Java.
Hello, hello. We have to film through here. I was asking if there's any Indonesian
Inside the house.
inside the house because it says Java house. Okay, now we continue. But by the way, who are we?
We are the RodVivKids Family vlog. Vlogging from the Netherlands. Ja? Nou, go.
And later you will see what we are going to do. So you better continue watching until the
An empty wallet in my sides.
Yeah, no, go. Alright, I have to go first.
Just looking through the skyline to the diamonds in her eyes. Oh, this lonely world can be so cruel, but I'm happy just to share it with you. May all of our dreams come true. For I'm honored to be there for you.
Now guys, look. It's going to happen. It's the very last day that we can go ice skating, and we are blessed with ice skates. And how come I don't have a pocket here anymore?
Go ice skating.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
So who's excited?
Me.
Why?
Oh.
It's the very first time, as far as I know, that our kids are skating on ice.
No, some memorize. I skated on ice.
Oh, some Mariah did?
Yeah, I still remember I had to like.
Oh yes, yes, yes. And they were very small. Smaller than now? Yes.
Now, are you?
Where are my ice skates then?
You have to sit on the edge and then put your feet down. Right? Stand up. Don't hold me. Go, try the skates.
Yeah, but there's no, I can't really ice skate because I mean.
I'll just help you. I don't think I can skate.
Yeah, careful.
How do you do this? Oh, careful, careful. Sit down, please. Hey, remove it now.
I forgot my ice skates. It's in the car. I just put it in the car and it should be here then. Oh, there are no ice. Is there ice skates here? No. No, there are ice skates here.
Waar heeft een afdruk? Oh!
Die is klaar jongens. En die protectie van de jongens. Mama ook nog niet.
Wow. I think we need a chair for. Oh, maybe we can use the thing.
No, that's way too heavy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Nee.
stand. Hey mama, his shoes aren't even thing.
Hey, was tijd. Kom on. Ja, Shaya in de blootje.
Searching for the light. Though many far before.
Veel plezier.
I almost forgot.
Do please be careful with your back and your knees.
Yeah, I know.
You're skating with a rubber.
I can't help them to be on here.
Yeah, I know.
That's why it's better to get in the chair.
You crawl.
Go, Papa.
Oh, kids. You just try. Don't go so far, yeah?
Don't shake too close together.
Escaping troubles in their mind.
Oh, look at them. It's cool to do it in nature, but it's so much different than in the rink, eh? Because you cannot hold on to something. And it's just open. Oh, I'm cold and it's rainy, but we have to take this chance because this will be the last day, most probably.
Happy just to share it with you. May all of our dreams come true. For I'm honored
But they
to
can
be
skate.
there.
Look at that. Too bad the mommy can't.
Then I'm already happy. So,
Wee.
if somebody wants to have these ice skates, just come with me.
Yes? Yes? Oh, you... Yeah. Okay. No. Can you help them? No way, Mariah. What's that?
Now, Evie, how are you doing? Yeah? Go. Oh,
Okay. How are you? Maybe behind you, Mariah. Let them hold behind you. Now you try. You can do that. You also did it in SM, so.
This is other skates.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, you wait for somebody, yeah?
I will show you a picture of how it was yesterday, the day before yesterday. Here it comes now, bang! So this is how it was. But the thing is, actually it's already, how's it? Defreezing,
thawing,
thawing.
melting.
So, and then the schools are already, kids are having school. We are doing homeschooling, so we can give them ice free, whatever, skating free. And
Snow
we're gonna
day.
only ice skate for a little while because of the rain and everything. And yeah, but that's the reason why you don't see anybody here right now.
Riding over the No, you can't go there because the sides of the ice
We
are frozen.
Chad, try. Keep your feet straight.
Samuel! No, don't sit. It's back, stay back. Then you go back. Go back. Go back.
Oh. Hey, get out your feet.
Oh, can someone drink some? What's going on?
That doesn't look healthy.
Oh my goodness.
Huh.
Enjoy. Turn off. Have you enjoyed our sledding vlogs and everything, and all the snow vlogs, and now also the last vlog? Maybe tomorrow is still something with ice or with snow. Have you enjoyed it? If you did, let us know. Appreciate it also with a thumbs up, of course.
Yeah.
But let us know in the comments on community page, or connect with us on Instagram or Facebook. And we love to hear from you. We really miss having comments. It is YouTube who is distributed worldwide. We really miss that. And to get to a relationship, communication with you guys. So at least we hope to hear from you on our community page. Then. Yes? Now, how do you go?
Now, there goes Papa to the rescue. Good job, Baru. Good job. But you have a good skates, that's why. Ushaya doesn't have one. Hidaya's one is difficult. Yeah, because he has a different one, Mariah. Oh, it's so cold.
What are you doing, Samuel? Yeah, for me they're a little bit too small, and I don't feel safe. The reason is also my mood changed, because Vivian doesn't know yet, but we just got a WhatsApp from the owner from the car, and we have no clue why, and probably we will tell you at the end of the vlog, but the police came to his house searching for us.
Jedediah changed skates. He's using Barus now. It's a hockey skate, so it should be better than the Viking one.
Who wants to go make another circle? I can.
Jedediah, you take Jedediah with you.
That was fun.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Now, time to take it off?
I could do it a little bit.
Yeah? Very well.
I'm going again.
Ooh, I'm shaking because it's cold. Yeah, we brought the GoPro. It's in Papa's bag.
Maybe I should take that one. We'll make a circle.
Be careful, please.
Here we go! Oh! Oh! Okay, I'm not gonna stand where you guys are standing because nope.
Straight both feet. Yeah. Then this one like this and push.
Okay, we're gonna make another circle, which we just did. Oh! Be careful. Good job. Okay.
So we just got a WhatsApp. The police came to his house searching for us. So we had absolutely no clue why. And he's asking us to report, to drive to Zwolle, but we are in Zwolle already, and to go to the police office, the police station, to see what's going on. We have no clue. Yeah. So that's why I read that just before.
Yeah, but we didn't do anything.
No? Samuel, what did you do? Yeah. So we'll share with you later, bro. Oh, yo.
So we're still gonna make a circle. So we have to go soon because Papa wants to go to the police station.
Yeah, we're worried.
Come on, let's make a circle because we have to go. Come on.
I can't. I don't know how.
Yes, you do. Just do it. Don't even think about it. Just do it. If you're gonna fall, just don't fall. Woohoo! Wow. Evie, where are you? Now, it kind of looks like it's all water over there, which it kind of is, but it's like ice underneath, but there's just a layer of water because of the melted ice and also because of the rain a bit. Abigail! Okay. Say goodbye.
And we already discussed with our friends. No, you you don't want to be filmed. And can be anything. Maybe something with our family, or we have no clue. But the thing is, if has anything related to the car, to us, then why would we go to the owner's car? They went to his address, and then it cannot have anything to do with our family, Vivian.
No, it can't.
Or
also
with your
have
mom, also can
anything
ask.
with a car, because there's nothing wrong with it.
Yeah, I don't know. Or maybe they have seen something in our YouTube channel and they saw our car and that we did something we don't know, that is a violation, whatever. So now, I'm not sure yet where we see you, but watch until the end and we'll see what's happening. Yeah?